Exercise 6a, chapter number 6, further trigonometry, book 4, 8th edition. Given that sine 45 degrees is equals to cos 45 degrees is equals to 0.707 when corrected to three significant figures, find the value of each of the following without using a calculator. Okay, we have given this is given and we have to require a, b and c. Okay, and you can see that sine 45 and cos 35 is equals to 0.707. why they both are equals to 0.707, I'm going to explain you. And you can see that we have the value of 45, sine is also 45 and cos is also 45, but in requirement they are asking sine 135, cos 135 as well. So first of all we have to find out sine and cos 135, so it would be easy for you to just put down the values. Okay, so now come over here. Why sine 45 degrees is exactly equal to cos 45 degree? Both are equal to 0.707 because sine 45 degree, it's mean angle is over here. 45 degrees, it's mean it's the first quadrant. Sine is positive over here, cos is also positive, and tan is also positive. So thus sine or cos or tan, all 45 degrees have the same values. Okay, sine 45 degree is equals to cos 45 degree. It's mean they both are in first quadrant, both are positive and both have the same value. Okay, first of all we are going to find out sine 135. Okay, sine 135, that is equals to sine 180 degrees minus theta, and it's sine 180 degrees minus 135. So sine 180 minus 135 is equals to 45 degrees. So we know that this is 135 degrees, and sine is always positive in second quadrant, so this is 135. It's mean sine 135 and sine 45 both have the same value, that is 0.707. But for cos 135 degree, now we have to find out cos 135 degrees, that is equals to minus cos 180 minus theta. Okay, so minus cos 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, so it's equals to minus cos 180 and 135 would be equal to 45 degrees minus cos 45 degrees, and we know that cos 45 is 0.707, so I am taking minus outside, and 0.707 is over here. Cos 45 is equals to 0.707 and minus is outside, so cos 135 is equals to minus 0.707. now we have all values. Sine 45 is 0.707, cos 45 is 0.707, and sine 135 degrees is equals to 0.707. Okay, and cos 135 degrees, cos 135 degrees is equals to minus 0.707. Okay, now we are going to start with the part A. Now it's very easy for us because whenever we get any value we just have to put on the value and solve. Okay, 2 cos 45 degrees plus 3 sine 135 degrees. Okay, now write 2 as it is. In place of cos 45, write the value, that is 0.707 plus 3 sine 135 degrees. What is the value of sine 135 degree? We have find out, that is 0.707. Now take your calculator and solve it quickly. 2 times 0.707 plus 3 times 0.707, it's equals to 3.535. So this was part A. Now move to part B. Part B is 3 cos 135 degrees plus 4 sine 135 degrees. Okay, so 3, what is the value of cos 135? That is minus 0.707, see over here, plus 4 sine 135 degree is 0.707. So 3 multiplied by minus 0.107 is equals to okay, now add all these things. 3 multiplied by minus 0.707 plus 4 multiplied by 0.707, so it's equal to 0.707. This is the answer of part B. Now move to part C. Okay, now this is cos 135 degrees minus 2 sine 45 degrees. So cos 135 is equals to minus 0.07. We don't have to do calculation because we have already done. Minus 2, and sine 45 is given in the question, that is 0.707. Now just put these values in the calculator. Minus 0.707 and then minus 2 multiplied by 0.707, so it would be equal to minus 2.121. So this was part C. Okay, in this question it was asked that you don't have to use calculator. It's mean you have to do the calculation by yourself. Maybe it's a P1 question. Okay, so you have to do the calculation by yourself. You can multiply manually and solve it, because I have used a calculator to explain you very quickly. And we have completed